Learners in classification problems. In the classification problems, there are two types of learners. Lazy learners. Lazy learner firstly stores the training dataset and wait until it receives the test dataset. In lazy learner case, classification is done on the basis of the most related data stored in the training dataset. It takes less time in training but more time for predictions. Example, KNN algorithm, case-based reasoning. Eager learners. Eager learners develop a classification model based on a training dataset before receiving a test dataset. Opposite to lazy learners, eager learner takes more time in learning and less time in prediction. Example, decision trees, naive Bayes, and types of ML classification algorithms. Classification algorithms can be further divided into the mainly two categories. Linear models, logistic regression, support vector machines, nonlinear models, k-nearest neighbors, kernel SVM, naive Bayes, decision tree classification, random forest classification. Evaluating a classification model. Once our model is completed, it is necessary to evaluate its performance, either it is a classification or regression model. So for evaluating a classification model, we have the following ways. 1. Log loss or cross-entropy loss. It is used for evaluating the performance of a classifier, whose output is a probability value between the 0 and 1. For a good binary classification model, the value of log loss should be near to 0. The value of log loss increases if the predicted value deviates from the actual value. The lower log loss represents the higher accuracy of the model. 2. Confusion matrix. The confusion matrix provides us a matrix table as output and describes the performance of the model. It is also known as the error matrix. The matrix consists of predictions result in a summarized form, which has a total number of correct predictions and incorrect predictions. The matrix looks like as below table. 3. AUC ROC curve. ROC curve stands for Receiver Operating Characteristics Curve and AUC stands for Area Under the Curve. It is a graph that shows the performance of the classification model at different thresholds. To visualize the performance of the multiclass classification model, we use the AUC ROC curve. The ROC curve is plotted with TPR and FPR, where TPR, true positive rate, on y-axis and FPR, false positive rate, on x-axis. Use cases of classification algorithms. Classification algorithms can be used in different places. Below are some popular use cases of classification algorithms. Email spam detection, speech recognition, identifications of cancer tumor cells, drugs classification, biometric identification, etc.